Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So they're predicting a nor'easter in southwest New Hampshire. It's going to be pretty significant, and I need to wing back the road, and so I thought I'd show everybody a little thing I made for the Kubota. It's not too bad here, but it gets a lot of sun here. Up farther where it's pretty shaded, you'll see that the side banks are pretty high, and we're supposed to get 15, possibly 18 inches of snow. I want to make sure that when I plow, especially with the ATV, that it's enough room to send the stuff. So let me get set up and I'll show you this. So this is the wingback plow that I made. It's just scrapped together with some scrap pieces of wood, metal. It basically just slips onto the edge of the blade. There's two slots right here, here, and here, and they just slide right onto the edge of the blade. And this part right here presses on the heel. Let me get you on a tripod and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so normally this just slips on. I want to try and do this on recording, and it probably won't. It's heavy as a son of a bitch. But you usually just get the bottom to slip on, slide the top on, and it just sits there. It's pretty beat up over the years, as you can see from hitting stumps and stuff on the driveway. But basically, it's the blades tilted back a little bit, or the bucket's tilted back a little bit for putting it on. Normally it rides down the road like that, and that's just enough to get it to, I can run my tires right down the side of the drive, and that pushes the snow back off the edge just enough so that the next time I plow, I don't have a problem. So let me get you set up on a head camera or a head mount, and I'll try driving down the driveway. So I'm not going to bore you with a lot of audio here. I might even do a voiceover because you probably can't hear anything. But this is what it's like. We get up here to some snow. Just sit here driving along the side of the driveway, pushing the snow over. Sometimes if it's taller, I have to put it a little higher and do it in 2 passes. I have to watch out because there is stumps here. I think this is pretty sticky, so I'm going to have to do it with 2. Starting to roll now. I'll probably do this in 2 passes, a little higher, get the top to roll off. It's kind of sticky today. It's pretty warm, maybe 50 degrees, 45, something like that. Anyways, as you can see, it does a pretty good job. It clears the snow back so that the next time I plow, probably Monday, it's going to be winged back enough to have space to put all this new snow. This isn't so bad right now, but sometimes in the year we get banks here that are so big that, you know, without this I can't even attempt to push the snow back. Once I'm done, I'll come back and clean up these little spillover from this. But anyways, I'll just let you enjoy the video for a bit and come back in a little bit. Okay, so I just stopped here for a second to show you this is what it's like after the first pass. And as you can see, I mean, this driveway is starting to fall off pretty good right at the edge of the snow. But that'll give somewhere for the snow to go. Now I'm going to do a second pass just to get the clumps that fell over this blade and push it back a little bit further now. And I'll come back and show you what it looks like then. So this spot right here is probably one of the worst. There's a ditch here, but there's also a bank just on the other side of the ditch. So this gets filled up very quick, and it's actually kind of a small ditch. I need to work on it. But so this can actually pile up. I've seen this as high as like almost 4 feet tall. So it's important that right here I definitely push this back. As you can see, this snow is very heavy, very thick, very hard to push with the truck. I mean, this doesn't have much problem with it, but so I know that you've heard me talking about plowing with either the ATV or the truck. Normally I plow with the truck, but this year it's been so wet, so warm. The driveway just hasn't hardened up, and if I plow with the truck, it's just going to plow off all the gravel. Even though it looks like mud, there's still a lot of gravel under there. But let me set you up. I'll show you what it's like to take this thing off, and then I'm probably going to drive down the driveway with the ATV and just do a quick cleanup pass with the blade held up a little bit. Usually you just got to give it a little tug like that, and the thing comes off and gets stored right there. So that's it. That's what it's like to use the wingback plow on the Kubota. Pretty quick weld up job. It's taken a beating, either hitting ice chunks or stumps I didn't know were there that I've since removed, or a log that was falling down on the side of the driveway. But anyways, it does a pretty good job. Moves the snow back away from the driveway, as you can see. And that's just enough. That's enough to give space for the plow to throw it. And a quick cleanup pass with the ATV, and you won't even know that the driveway's had any snow on it. But anyways, thanks for coming. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe. I'll talk to you later. One little footnote I had to add. Unbelievable solar day today. I think we're going to push 36 kilowatts if the sun keeps up like this, although I see a little bit of haze coming. But wow, this is our first year with solar. I don't know why we didn't do it sooner. We're pushing like well, we're averaging with the winter over 15 kilowatts a day. But on some days, we're hitting 30 plus kilowatts, 35, 36 kilowatts a day. So if you can do it, solar is definitely the way to go. That's it. Bye.